Hey everybody, welcome. It's Saturday morning here and we're up at my regular workshop. As you can see, we got a little blazer up on the rack. We're going to do some spring shackles. I got a little help today. My daughter, she said she doesn't want to be on camera, but there she goes running away. We'll get her on here though. Let's go take a look at what we got going on. Alright, this is what we got going on. We're going to do some spring shackles, and of course you can't see, or you can see that there's like absolutely no room up in here to get anything up in here to power tool wise to do it. There's the one on the other side. It's already broke. Of course, you got the nice evap canister right there to contend with and everything. So we're gonna get some more stuff set up here and come back and see if we can get this apart. Hi, Boo.
No.
Say hi, Boo.
No.
Alright, we got the evap canister out of the way, which was up in this area right in here. We got a ratchet on one side, wrench on the other, and my lovely daughter, this is her blazer, she's going to take the nut off this end, and we'll go from there and see what we got. Normally what I do is on this side here, I'll get up in there with the torch and cut it off, and then once you get this nut off there here, you can put washers on it and just keep jacking it out. You know, it'll come right out. But we got a nice fuel tank right here with the filler neck right above it, so I really don't want to fire the torch up, so we may have to end up getting the saws all out and cutting this end off, which she'll love doing that. You know, she loves doing all that kind of stuff. So yeah, when we get a little further along, we'll turn the camera back on and show you all what we got going. Alright, I got this backside cut off. Got a block of wood in there. What I do is take the nut, put some washers on the end of that bolt, and then just start ratcheting it in, and it will actually pull that bolt right out of there. Just like that. See it moving? Once we get it moving, we'll put the impact on it and get her from there. Come back after we get the bolt. Alright, one side down, all bolted up in, done, and of course Boo's working on the other one. She's gonna have Popeye arms by the time she's done.
Big Popeye.
Alright, side number 2 is done. In. Reinforcement showed up finally. Say hi, Danny.
Hi.
You know, everything's done. She's monkeying with the brakes over here doing something. We don't know what the heck she's doing over here. She's just making noise. So, but it's all done. So, thanks for stopping by, and we'll catch y'all later.